Hey there, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to find the least common multiple of these 5 values using a process called the ladder method. Today's question is on page 18, problem number 2 in this book, if you want to follow along. Let's look at this question together. What is the least common multiple of 2, 4x, 3y, 6xy, and 8y? The least common multiple, or LCM, of 2 or more values is the smallest number that is a multiple of all the given values in a set. To find the LCM for this set of values, I'm going to use the ladder method, which is a very quick and easy way to find all the prime factors of the given values in this set. I'm excited to show you, so let's get started. First, I will factor out the numbers and coefficients. Remember, coefficients are the numbers being multiplied to the variables. To do this, I will place all 5 of the given values inside this ladder. Now I'm going to look for a number or factor that can be divided evenly into some or all of the values in the set. I'm going to choose this factor of 2 because I know that 2 divides evenly into the 2 and the coefficients of 4, 6, and 8. The next step is to divide each of the values in the ladder by this factor of 2. Starting with this first 2 inside the ladder, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so they cancel each other out. Moving on to 4x, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and I'll bring down the x. 2 does not divide evenly into 3y, so I just bring the 3y down. Next, we have 6xy, and 2 divides into 6 3 times, and I'll bring down the xy. And then 2 divides into 8y 4 times, and I'll bring down the y. Looking at the values here, I see that I can factor out another 2. Looking at the 2x, the 2's cancel each other out, leaving just the x. 2 does not divide into 3y or 3xy, so I just bring them down. But 2 does divide into 4y 2 times, and I'll bring down the y. The next shared factor I see is 3. 3 does not divide evenly into x, so I just bring it down. The 3's here cancel each other out, leaving just the y and then the xy. And 3 does not divide evenly into 2y, so I just bring it down. The last coefficient that I need to factor out is the 2 in the 2y. I need to factor out the 2 because in order to find the least common multiple for any set of values, I need to factor out all of the prime numbers in the set, and 2 is a prime number. I'll bring down the x, y, and xy first because 2 does not divide into these values. Then in this last value of 2y, the 2's cancel each other out, leaving just the y. Now, as you can see, I only have the variables left. So my next step is to factor out the shared variables. I will factor out the x first. The 2 x's here cancel each other out, and I'll bring down the y's. The last variable to factor out is the y, and I'm sure you already see that the y's will cancel each other out, and I'm done factoring. The last step is to multiply the factors on the outside of the ladder together. So I'll multiply 2 times 2 to get 4, and then 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24, and 24 times x is 24x, and I'll finish up by multiplying 24x times y to get a least common multiple of 24xy. Looking at my answer choices, I see 24xy as choice C, and I'm done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and you will want to check out this video to see how you can use factor trees and prime factorization to find this LCM as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.